Today we're showing you something special, a 1958 Pontiac Sedan Delivery that represents the Nova Scotia Car Show's channel. Only 494 of these were ever built in Oshawa, Ontario, and you've probably never seen one in person. This two-owner car came from an estate in British Columbia, went to Winnipeg, and now it's ours. For a car this old, it's incredibly solid. Minimal rust, original panels, and everything fits like it should. The odometer shows 40,964 original miles, and we believe it. The gas tank's under the hood with a Pepsi bottle because the original tank is too corroded to ever hold fuel again. This car sat for over 15 years, but we got lucky finding it in this condition. Check out the original headliner, all original tin with no patches or heavy body filler anywhere. The car came with spare parts and trim in the back that we'll reuse. See those Scrabble letters? We're going to do the back floor entirely in Scrabble tiles so viewers can hunt for the words during our shows. We are pulling the windshield, rotating the engine out, and stripping everything off the firewall to send it in for paint. While that's happening, we'll restore and detail the motor, check the transmission and clutch, and rebuild the engine compartment. This is the original 261 V8, never been out of the car. Every bolt came out clean, no torch needed, like it was put together yesterday. We are documenting this entire build so you can see the transformation from start to finish. We'll bring you updates along the way and then do a final unveiling. This thing is going back to its former glory. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to keep updated on this series as well.